everyone, I am Janvi Pravar. Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, then welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you some daily habits that are gonna help you in improving your accent. I know a lot of Indians have a lot of problems with their pronunciation, like with their sa, sha sound, their ra, la sounds. So we got a lot of problems, right? A lot of pronunciation issues. So I'm gonna give you some daily habits to improve those pronunciation problems and to improve your accent. So let's get started. See, first of all, you need to know what accent you guys are gonna go for. Is it gonna be British accent or is it gonna be American accent? So in this video, I'm gonna be talking from a very neutral stance, right? Just to improve your pronunciation, just to improve your normal accent. For example, if you have touches of your local dialect in your English. So just to reduce those and to have a better pronunciation. I will tell you my favorite though. So number one, tongue twisters, very important. I cannot stress this enough. And I've even made a video specifically on tongue twisters to improve your pronunciation. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pick 3 to 4 tongue twisters on a daily basis and pronounce one tongue twister for 10 times. For example, there is one with sa and sha sound. So that is, she sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. So there you have to focus on your sa and sha sound. Now make sure that when you're pronouncing the sa, just the sa, so it's sa. And when you're pronouncing sh, so that's sha. Right? So she sells seashells by the seashore, right? Another tongue twister for your ra and la sound, and this is especially for people who want to improve their American English. So it is red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. If not American, then if a neutral pronunciation, then just pronounce red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, or with your ra and la, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Then there is this another one for your ta, ra, ba sound, because you really need to focus on your consonants too. Betty bought her bought some butter, but what was the whole tongue twister? Betty bought her bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. Betty bought her bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. So you need to focus. If not with the flap T sound, then with a normal ta. Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. Like that. So these, I'm gonna give you these 3 tongue twisters. Well, number 1, she sells seashells by the seashore. Red leather, yellow leather. Betty bought her bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. You're gonna pronounce these 10 times each, right? So 30 times on a daily basis, All right, everyone. Now let's talk about habit number 2. My favorite, I told you, I'll tell you guys my favorite, nothing better than this one, it's shadowing. I don't know how many times I have come up with this technique and how many times I've told you guys about this, but shadowing. The number 1 technique out there, not just to improve your pronunciation and accent, but to improve your English as well, or if you're learning any other language, the number 1 technique out there. So let me tell you how. In shadowing, what you're simply gonna do, just follow whatever I'm gonna say, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna watch a movie for about 5 minutes, or you're gonna watch a speech, basically listen to something. It can be a speech, any interview, any movie, any series, anything, for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stop it right there, pause it right there, and then repeat. Whatever you remember, repeat in the same tone, in the same pitch, in the same rhythm, and in the same pronunciation, in the same accent. For example, if you're gonna mimic me, so you're gonna pronounce everything that I'm pronouncing right now. If I'm saying, all right, everyone, let's learn this. So you repeat that after me. All right, everyone, let's learn this. Okay, so this is shadowing. Mimic the whole thing. Another thing you can do under shadowing itself, what you're gonna do after shadowing, there are gonna be words, there are gonna be places where your pronunciation will slip a bit. So I want you to write those down. After writing those down, then practice them again. Then practice all of the words again, practice your loopholes again. So this is shadowing. 5 minutes listen and then practice for 15 minutes daily. Listen for 5 minutes, practice for 5 minutes. Listen for 5 minutes again, the same thing, and then practice again after writing. All right, so this is shadowing, the number 1 technique out there to improve your pronunciation, your English, your fluency, anything that you want. And also everyone, if you want to improve a specific accent, like a British accent or your American accent, then you can go check out my courses on British and American English, all available on my my website, johnvpawar.com, and the link for that is in the description box down below. You can go check out the curriculum. I have focused on every single sound from diphthongs, short vowels, long vowels. So go and check them out. Long U, short E, and short A, long A. So I've focused on every sound. I've also focused on slangs, important sounds like schwa sound, NG sound, dark L, light L, ga sound, consonants too. So go and check them out. And the link for that, again, is in the description box down below. Now let's focus on the next technique. Number 3. Yeah, after tongue twisters and shadowing, number 3. Now, what you're going to do in number 3, this is a little bit of your mouth movement and for your tongue movement. So what you're going to do, you're going to warm up. How would you warm up? And also, this warming up would go before everything. It would go before tongue twister. It would go before shadowing. So it had to be habit number 1. However, what you're going to do, you're going to smile widely for 5 seconds, like very wide. I know I looked creepy, but smile widely for 5 minutes, for 5 seconds. All right. Then the next 5 seconds, bring your lips in a circle, like, all right. After doing this for 5 seconds, then open your mouth, like for 5 seconds again, 5 seconds, right? So this is what you're going to do. 5 seconds, smile widely. Then 5 seconds, bring your lips in a circle. And then for 5 seconds again, you're going to open your mouth. All right. So this is what you're going to do for 5 minutes, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. So doing these 5 seconds for 5 minutes, 5 minutes. And then what you're going to do, you're going to pronounce this, not pronounce, we'll exercise this. Say la, 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 and then la, 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 la. La 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 la. Again, for 10 times. 10 times do this. So this is how you improve your accent. Again, I have one more technique, which I forgot about. So this is technique number 4. Let's talk about technique number 4 now. Technique number 4 is focus on one sound per day. For example, if today you want to focus on the sh sound, so focus on sh sound. What you're going to do, you're going to go on Google or ChatGPT. You're going to ask ChatGPT for a paragraph filled with sh sounds. Just write, give me a paragraph filled with sh sounds, and then read that paragraph out loud. So one sound per day, no confusions. For example, today you're focusing on the sh sound, then the next day focus on the t sound, then the next day focus on the flap t sound, then the next day focus on your r sound, then the next day focus on your b sound. So all you have to do is go on ChatGPT or look for a paragraph which is filled with that one particular sound, which is filled with that sound. Also, if you want to know how to use ChatGPT to improve your English or accent, then I have a video for that, and the link for that video is in the description box down below. Everything is in detail. Go and check that out as well. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys do improve your accent and pronunciation. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want or need from me, on what topics can I record these videos for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye everyone, stay safe.